Brian DiMambro. We have here a late 19th century lithographed map with beautiful original hand color. It's entitled Noll's New Road Driving and Bicycle Map of Philadelphia and Surrounding Country. It was published in Philadelphia in 1890. What is interesting, in addition to the level of detail, is the key down at the bottom right, above the imprint, points out or locates on the map grain mills, sawmills, post offices, hotels, friends' meeting houses, churches, in addition to the more standard railway stations and turnpikes and canals and streams. The map is highly detailed. There are a profusion of specific locations identified, including buildings and so on, which are separate from the key. The map is large and has several splits at fold-lined intersections. There is a split for this portion of the map here, which is held on the back by a couple small pieces of archival tape to stabilize the folding and unfolding of the map. It is basically clean. It's in its original printed folder, which someone long ago has repaired with tape, but it's as we acquired it. It's scarce, it's interesting, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.